Hello, my dear students. It is with pleasure I welcome you all to Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. Will your journey of education begins at Kare? On behalf of my colleagues, I wish you all to come with flying colors after 4 years. I am Professor Sundar, the Dean of School of Biochemical Engineering. I have been at Kare for the past 15 years. As you know, you are stepping into an institution which has a stamp of approval for quality by both NAC and NIRF ranking. In NAC, we have received an A grade, and in NIRF, we are in the top 100 among engineering institutions in the country. CARE provides a world-class infrastructure, interdisciplinary learning with a challenging curriculum so that the students can choose a right career path. The School of Biochemical Engineering comprises of three departments: biotechnology, biomedical engineering, and chemical engineering. We offer three undergraduate programs in these three domains and a PG program in biotechnology and PhD programs. All of our UG programs are accredited by ABET, an international accrediting agency based in USA. In addition, our BTech program in biotechnology is accredited by National Board of Accreditation. This emphasizes the quality of the curriculum that we offer to our students. Due to COVID pandemic, though the life is paralyzed throughout the world, we quickly adapted to the new normal and started delivering classes online. In addition to regular classes and examinations, we have organized various workshops, webinars, and conferences online. Eminent academicians and industry personnel from around the globe participated in these and interacted with our students. Because of our efforts, our students graduated on time and could land up in jobs in the industry. I am proud of the extraordinary flexibility and resilience shown by my senior students and faculty members during this time. We have a dedicated team of faculty and they are committed to the work that they do. They have prepared an innovative curriculum to engage the students. Besides the regular learning in classes, the students are also provided ample opportunity to exhibit their talents in various co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We also promote exchange programs through our partner institutions throughout the world. We at School of Biochemical Engineering strive very hard to ensure higher standards in education and in the successful transition of students from caterpillars to butterflies. In the past, our students have excelled by entering into higher studies in prominent institutions throughout the world, and placement stands testimony to this. The alumni of the school are widespread throughout the globe, from USA to Australia, and they always wanted to help their juniors in all possible ways. We are always proud of the hard work and achievement of our students and alumni. With the help of our faculty members, our laboratory facilities, and the training and internship opportunities available, and the support from our administration and management, I am sure you will all excel in your academics and come up with flying colors. We have a beautiful green campus, and due to pandemic, as you are not able to reach the campus, our departments have come forward with a short video that highlights the salient features of the department. Laboratory facilities available and also various support that is provided to the students for the enrichment. At the end, our senior students and alumni have also shared their experience at CARE. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education, says Aristotle. I am sure you will feel that at CARE. I wish you a healthy, pleasant, and protective stay at CARE. Enjoy this video. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Dr. V. Arunajani, heading the Department of Chemical Engineering, School of Biochemical Engineering. Our department was established in the year 2014. We are offering an undergraduate program, BTech in Chemical Engineering. Our department possesses faculty expertise in the field of textile effluent treatment, electrochemical engineering, pharmaceutical engineering, process intensification, and photocatalysis. Apart from regular faculty, industrial experts will also be contributing in academics. Our department has fluid mechanics, mechanical operations, heat transfer, mass transfer, and chemical reaction engineering laboratory, which are fully equipped. Our department also has advanced equipment like bath sonicator and probe sonicator to carry out advanced research. Our department library is provided with more textbooks and reference books of various experts. Because of our expertise, we got consultancy projects from various private sectors. Apart from regular teaching, we will also engage the students through experiential learning life, making them to do projects from second year, including practicals for theory courses, to serve rural community through various products, and making them aware of many softwares like MATLAB, ANSYS, ISYS, DWSM, and COCO. We will be encouraging students to participate in various national events like paper presentation, poster presentation, project contest. One of our students' community service project on sanitary napkin receives national award, Chhatra Vishwakarma Award from AECT New Delhi by our Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Our students received internships from various reputed institutions like Baba Atomic Research Center, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, BCW, NIT Karnataka. Recently, one of our final year students received international internship from leading university in Taiwan. Our students were also placed in various reputed institutions like SPIC, TAGROS, TAG, PCW, etc. Apart from academic activities, we are also training them for placement and for competitive exams through rigorous training. We have also incorporated leadership skills among students. So most of our students are acting as secretaries, president of various students clubs. Our students are also given opportunity to coordinate with various international events organized by IUCN. We are also inculcating entrepreneurship skills among students so that they are submitting their proposals to various government agencies. Finally, I would like to say that chemical engineers are universal engineers. Since the scope of our course is very wide, join hands with us and succeed in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Okay, so good morning everyone. So this is a bit demonstration for the chemical engineering equipment available for the mass transfer laboratory. So first one that we can see, that is an evaporator, which is jacketed kettle. Second equipment what we can see, that is a condenser, which is available in our mass transfer laboratory. Third one is also a condenser which is in vertical form. So you can see that the previous one, that was horizontal, and this one is vertical. So this is one vapor liquid column we are having, and we have kept it dismantled for now. Then we are having the distillation sections, distillation equipments, and that is the steam distillation column equipment, and this is our simple distillation column equipment. Next we are having the sonicator probe, and we can do some sonication operation here in mass transfer. This one is a packed bed distillation column what we are having. The distillation column is packed completely with packing material, so it is called as packed bed distillation column. So afterwards, if we come to this side, we are having the diffusivity measurement equipment, or it is also called as Stephan's tube. Afterwards, in the mass transfers, you are going to study about this equipment. This is open pan evaporator, and we used to evaluate that how much the rate of evaporation used to happen using this instrument. And this is one that is air tray dryer. So drying operation, that could be done using some crops, or it could be done using some cloth, that also could be done. So this is a tray dryer operation, and we used to calculate the drying rate from the equipment. This last one is a sonicator bath, and also we are having like two sonicator baths. This one is here, and the other one I have already shown. So this is used for the sonication operation. So this is the overview of our mass transfer lab what we are having. We are having the center table, and necessary equipments are there. Of course, based on our requirement, we used to supply some of the chemicals, and with the chemicals, we used to do the experiments. So thank you. Thanks for that. Okay, so we have come to chemical reaction engineering lab for chemical engineering students. So first one what we can see is the batch reactor, which is the simplest kind of reactor which is used in different industries. Next we can see that there are plug flow reactor, which is a bit of spiral shape. So in this spiral shape the reaction happens and we can take out the product. It's a non-flow reactor. Next, what we can see that it's a non-catalytic solid fluid reactor. So the solid and fluid, they used to react with each other and they make a product. And this is one advanced kind of reactor what we are having. Next, we are having one basic reactor which is mixed flow reactor, and you can see that there is one stirrer inside the reactor to mix up the reaction mixture properly. Next, we are having the CSTR in series. I mean, a lot of CSTRs, I mean, three numbers of CSTRs, they are mixed together. They are put in series, and we can get the output from the reaction after a series of reactions. Next, what we are having, that is semi-batch reactor, and it's not completely of batch type, it's not completely of continuous type. It's called as a semi-batch reactor. Next, what we are having is a packed bed reactor. Then on this side we are having adiabatic reactor, where there is no input and output inside the system, no energy input, no mass input, nothing is there, and no output is also there. Next, what we are having is a liquid solid catalytic reactor, and this side we are having RTDs in CSTR in series, so we can find the residence time from the different CSTRs. Next, it is a mixed flow reactor, and the last one what we are having is a flow mix flow reaction in series. So I mean, during this reaction there used to be a spiral path that used to be followed inside the reactor, and that we can carry out our operations or the reactions inside the reactors. So this is the overview, and for your convenience there are center tables, stools which are equipped inside the chemical reaction engineering lab, and also there are required chemicals which should be given to you for the to get the desired result. Thank you. Okay, so we have come to the mechanical operation laboratory, and the first equipment what we can see is a roll mill. And inside the roll mill the particles we used to crush together and to get smaller sized particles. Next one is a cyclone apparatus. So what happens that when we want to make air dust free, we can use this kind of cyclone separator, or any mixture. If we want to take out any specific particle, we can use this cyclone apparatus. Jaw crusher is there, where by the action of jaws, bigger size jaws are there inside the equipment, with which we can crush the material of different size. Next one is sieve. This is called as sieve shaker. So what happens that these are different screens are there inside the sieve shaker. These are called screens, and what happens that we can separate out the material of our desired particle size from this sieve shaker. Next, what we are having is some this is also another sieve shaker is present inside our lab. Next is the leaf filter experiment, leaf filter, and what we do that we used to put a filter and we used to separate out the solvent and the solute from the system. Next, there is a ball mill apparatus, and I hope you can see this kind of ball mill or rotating mill or jaw crusher during the crushing operations. Already you have known probably. So this is the ball mill apparatus. This is called elutriator. This is a very good equipment what we are having here. Next, it is plate and frame filter press. So there are different plates and there are different frames inside the system. So where by using cloth material for the filtration purpose, we can use this kind of equipment. Next, we are having rotary drum or vacuum filtration unit. And in case of rotary drum, what happens? One drum used to be there that used to rotate to, maybe anti-clock, maybe clockwise, and from the outside we used to get the solvent or the solute out as per our requirement. Next, what we are having, that is the fluid mechanics equipment. Okay, so I'm going to show you in the next video. Fine, thank you. Yes, in the fluid mechanics section, what we are having, that is the flow through different channels, fluidized bed, and from here we used to calculate the pressure drop, because when a fluid passes through a channel, there used to be the formation of pressure drops. Second one is that same thing, packed inside the packed bed. In the before instrument there is no packing, but this instrument is basically packed. This not instrument, this tube is already packed with some material, with some packing material. So from there we have to calculate the pressure drop. Next equipment is heat losses in pipe, in which, when the fluid flows due to friction, there used to be some kind of heat loss, and we can calculate the heat loss from the pipe. Next, another evaporator is there, which is basically a vertical evaporator, and it's of a bigger size than the mass transfer system what we are having. It's of a bigger size, bigger scale. Next, we are having the shell and tube heat exchanger. Mostly these type of equipments are being used for heat heat exchanging purpose for the heat transfer laboratory. Next, what we are having, that is the pipe friction equipment, pipe friction apparatus. So what happens that when fluid is flowing through the pipe, there used to be some kind of friction factor that is playing inside the tubes. So that friction factor we can calculate from the pipe friction apparatus. Next, we are having the flow through annular pipe. So when the flow is happening through an annular section of the pipeline, that means if two pipes are present and the flow is happening, from the annular section or the section in between, so how much will be the pressure drop, or what will be the flow that we can get from this equipment. Next, we are having parallel flow and counter flow heat exchanger. So this is also basically a heat exchanging equipment for the heat transfer lab. So basically we used to call it as unit operation laboratory, so that different types of unit operation could be conducted together. So we are having different valves in the equipment. We are having temperature controllers. So from that we can get the efficiency of the heat exchanger from the system. Next, we are having the venturimeter and orifice meter combined together. That is a fluid mechanics instrument we are having. And in case of venturimeter and orifice meter, what happens that we can calculate the output flow rate from a system, and also we can calculate the flow rate which is coming out from one pipeline. So these instruments.
Hello everyone. Greetings from Gokul Devaraj, a final year student of Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. I feel really proud and honored to be associated with this department, as this department helped me to face the outer world very boldly when I am in the final year of chemical engineering. And this department supported me in terms of academics and also in the scope of chemical engineering as a part of research. With the help of the research, I have published more than 6 articles in various reputed national and international journals. Apart from research, I have been associated with a lot of extracurricular activities in terms of organizing various extracurricular events in the scope of chemical engineering, and also I have participated. I have a lot of participated in workshops, symposia, conferences, and I have be a part of the organizing committee of various conferences, workshops, etc. Apart from these extracurricular activities, my department supported me to learn scope of chemical engineering by traveling to other states of India also. I have been participated in various contests, and I have been finalist of 2 contests in throughout the journey of my 4 years. My department supported me to learn my lot of new leadership quality and to implement those things. As a part of learning, I have been appointed as the Secretary of Department Club of Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education and the Fine Arts Club President of Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. This is truly possible with the support given by the department and the guidance given by the department to learn lot of leadership skills starting from my first year. This department always supports lot of students. Please come forward. There is lot of scope and opportunities for chemical engineers. Let us join and make everything success. Thank you.
All, I'm E. Karthikeyan from Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I am pursuing BTech Chemical Engineering at Kalasalingam Academy for Education. Actually, one of the biggest decisions I have ever made in my life was joining BTech Chemical Engineering at Kalasalingam Academy for Education. Because I'm saying this word, because this joining BTech Chemical Engineering here changed my life totally. Actually, I have 4+ research publications in my profile right now, which shows my technical knowledge and technical development which I have got from this department. At the same time, our faculties always encourage us to go for industrial visits. At the same time, industrial training, which all can make you better industrial knowledge. Because chemical engineering is a scale up, it's a degree which is meant for scale up process. So industrial experience makes our knowledge much more better. So our department always ensures that. At the same time, extracurricular activity is a part of each and every student. For example, dance, music, that kind of extracurricular activities. At the same time, our department students achieve so many things in national level sports events also. So our new department never fails to encourage the students from participating in extracurricular activities and sports, yoga, etc. etc. At the same time, our department consists of state-of-art laboratories, but laboratories won't make anything much more better. But the faculties who are making the laboratories much more effective. But the faculties made us to learn each and everything, each theory, each laboratory courses, or else each theories. They make each and everything easier. Actually, there will be a class coordinator, at the same time student coordinator. So many people and counselor will be there for us. They will guide us to all the parts of our 4 years BTech degree. I'm really happy to be a part of this area. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ramji, one of the alumni of Kalasalingam University. My institution helped me to stepping ahead because I studied there only, and I am passed out at 2018. And my institution helped me to improve my all knowledge. And now I need to told about my department, the chemical engineering department, and the school of biotech and chemical engineering. They are give us a full freedom to do whatever the ideas we thought, and also full freedom to do all our projects, research papers, and paper presentations, and other college symposiums and workshops, and etc. We won many prizes at many other colleges. For that, our department will help. The courses offered in Kalasalingam University for chemical engineers are very quality. They are having updated syllabuses in heat transfer, mass transfer, and in also fluid dynamics and chemical reaction engineering, and also having a lab facilities for the subjects. And now they are updated many of syllabuses while I'm studying, and I really excited after hearing about the syllabuses. In our college, they are offered full-fledged aptitude and skill development programmings. Yes, they are imported trainers from one of the best institutions from Chennai. The only institution which is offered on-job training at last semester of college period. And also they are giving gate coaching to the students, also given coaching to the preparation of government exams. My institution was signed the MOU with more than 10 universities from many other countries to help the students who are likely to their higher studies at foreign countries.
I am Anne Marie from Kerala. BTech Chemical Engineering pass out of 2014-18 batch. I am very happy to share my experience of studying in Kalasalingam University. It is an eco-friendly campus with beautiful greenery that provides an ideal platform for engineers to get graduated. Speaking about the chemical engineering department, the faculties are extremely friendly, interactive, and supportive in our all activities. The continuous mentorship and assessment made me to land with the highest academic score and to gain scholarship every year. Apart from the academic activities like symposium, paper presentation, seminar, college also focused on conducting the extracurricular activities like arts and sports, which provided me to showcase my talents. Overall, it was an amazing learning experience and beautiful memories of my college life spending 4 years with Kalasalingam University.